Welcome to all of you in today's video. In this video, we'll learn about Python programming and Python data types. So, let's start with the introduction of Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is mostly used for web development, rapid application development, mathematics, system scripting, and cross-platform development. Why Python is so popular? Because Python works on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. etc. Python has a very simple syntax to write codes. With fewer lines of code, we write our program in Python. Python runs on an interpreter. That means code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means prototyping can be very quick in Python. Python can be treated as a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python are two versions, Python 3 and Python 2. We continue with Python 3. The biggest advantage of Python is that Python is its very small core. It improves its execution time. So that is the very big advantage of Python. So let's start with the hello world program in Python. How we write a hello world syntax statement in Python. We write print bracket hello world and write it. You see the output is hello world. That's why it is very popular and very mostly used programming language. Now we do some mathematical operation, like we want to multiply two numbers, 2 into 5. This is the 10 output. You want to add values 2 plus 5, it's 7. Now here is in Python many ways to do operations, like a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4. Now c is equal to a plus b, and you print c. The output is 8. Many ways to write this statement. Now we want to find the area of circle. We take an example to find out the area of any circle. So first what we do, we assigned pi variable for pi value. We write pi is equal to the value of pi is 3.14. Then what we do, we also assign a radius. What is the radius? We give 5 as a radius. Now in area we calculate the area. The formula for calculating the area of circle is pi r square. So we write in programming syntax pi into radius square. Now we calculate the area of circle in area. Now we want to print this, so we write print bracket area of circle is what? Area. We write this is our area of circle. Right? This is the basic Python program. Now we talk about Python data types. Python support basically 5 main built-in object types, or we can say that data types, or an external data types. Built-in data types are number, string, list, dictionary, tuple, sets, and external data types are file. Now we start with a number data type. Number data type have multiple forms like that: integer, float, complex. So we start with integer one by one. So like I create a variable a and give the value 4. Now we want to know what type of the data type is. So we write type, all right, type a. We see this is the integer type of data type. Now similarly I give a value 1.2 and we want type of a. Now the type of a is float, as you see. Now if I assign a is equal to like 1g, this is called a complex number, right? Type of a is complex. Okay, this is the complex number. Now we come to string. String is similar to different programming languages. str is equal to, in the two double quotes, under double quotes we write hello, and now print is string, we see hello. Or we want to see what is the type, so we write string. This tell us this is the string type of data type, right? Now we come to the sequential type of data types, like that list, tuple, or range. So how we can define a list? We can define a list like list is equal to square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the list. Or we want to see what type of data type is, so type list, give us output. This is the list type of data type. Similarly we want to see about tuple. Tuple is equal to bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. You see type of tuple is tuple, right? We have a mapping data type in Python that called dictionary. So how we use dictionary? Dict is equal to, in curly braces, ABC. We write a string value here, then colon, ID we give 1001, comma, now AC, this type of value, colon 1002. Now we want type of this dictionary is a dictionary, or you also print dictionary. It's give us a dictionary, looks like this. Dictionary is called mapping type of data type, right? Now we do some operations with list, like that. List, we create a list, values with 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Similarly, this type of elements in list, we print it. Now we print the list. This is the list which we define here. Next, we want to add some element in list, add some value in list. So what I do, list dot append equal to okay, here I do something wrong. Append four. Now I see what is the list. Now you see here the list, the old list, the last value is 5. Now here it add 4 in last. It means is that when we perform append in list, it store the value in last of the list. If we want want to replace some index value with some other value, like I want to replace the index value 3 is equal to 54. So we see the changes in list now. In the place of index 3, you see here 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. This is replaced with 4 is replaced with 54 now. So in this video we learn about Python, introduction of Python, and data type, basics about data types in Python. So that's all for this video. Subscribe this channel for further videos. Like video if you like it. Thank you very much.